Okay, today I'm taking a look at Dragon Glass Espresso Cups. Okay, well packed, so that's nice. Yeah, double packed. There we go. Okay. So we can see that these are double walled, so that's going to separate everything. So it's going to make sure that we're not going to be burning our hands. And it's also going to help to keep the coffee hot. We can also see there is a dragon in the bottom. So that is very cool. And I do love the glass because that's going to help you to see exactly what you're drinking. Just makes the whole experience just feel a little bit more elegant. That is gorgeous. So let's enjoy this. Oh, wow. I'm in heaven. So yeah, overall, those are some very nice glasses.